The story of Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief takes place all over the country. So you will be creating an annotated interactive map of all of the different settings of the story. So you're going to open Google My Maps and create a new map. Once you're here, you can title your map. Percy's name here. You can add a description if you'd like. And then you can select your base map. So what would you like it to appear like? I think I like this one. And now you can begin adding locations and your annotations. So the first part of the story opens at the Metropolitan Museum of Art on 5th Avenue in New York City. So I'm going to search in the search bar, and I'm going to add that point to my map. Once I do that, I can edit the style of my icon, decide what symbol I want to use. I'm going to put stars for all of my locations. And I'm going to color this one. I'll make this one green because this is where the story begins. And you can see here's my green star. Once that's done, I can then use the pencil tool to add my annotation, and here is where you will add your notes about each location in the story. And you'll add obviously more than I have here, and you can also add any photographs or images or videos related to this content. Click Save, and now you've created your point, and when you share it with somebody, they'll be able to see your annotations, any images or videos you add, as well as the information that is in Google Maps. Now you're ready to add a second location. In this case, I'm going to put Percy's apartment, which is listed as on the corner of East 104th and 1st Street in the Upper East Side of Manhattan. So actually not very far from the Metropolitan Museum of Art. I'm going to put this into the search bar and search for it, and it will take me to that location. And I'm going to go ahead and follow those steps again. Add to map, edit my icon, edit my notes, add any images, and save it. So now I have these two locations on my map. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom out enough so that I can see the two locations that I've added. So here's my Metropolitan Museum of Art. Here is Percy's apartment. And I'm going to show you how you can add a line connecting all of the stops of Percy's journey. You're going to go up to here, and it says draw a line. So we're going to go ahead and add a line or a shape. We're going to start at our one location and work at our second location. And you can name your line. I'm just going to say this is chapters 1 and 2. You could call it, Percy's journey, especially if you're connecting multiple points. And again, I can change my style, make the line thicker, I can change the color, and so on. Add annotations, images, and videos, just like with our points. So here's an example of a completed map. You will see here's a list of locations with the annotations and images, and I don't want to spend too much on here and give things away. Some of the locations in the story, though, you'll need to make an approximation because you won't have an actual real life site. So you're going to have to do your best to try to figure out using the context clues and part of the story to help you find locations. This is not an exhaustive list of locations that you might include, but it's definitely, these are some of the must-haves.